Hello and welcome to another episode in this air ride Lada project. Today we're starting the montage of the air ride system. But first thing first, I need to show you how we transport car parts here in Norway. This is really effective shit. So let's go. Alright, so while my daughter is asleep, I can start arranging some parts. This one and a bunch of other shit. Those are all new parts from Sergey at Lada Moscow. And those are all the parts I got from the last run. Here's the air ride system in the boxes here. And yeah, everything is pretty damn unorganized. But I think for my own peace of mind, I need to start in that direction. We're in a new lockdown right now. So this week, because of the schools are pretty taken by the coronavirus. Next week, I will get some of the youth with me. And some of them are really interested in the old Ladas and stuff. So I will have with me some of the kids at our club. But as you can see, where we start now is like finishing up the inner wells here. I can see if I can put on a light. It does not look as good as the car. So we're going to take everything off up on the lift there. And clean it, respray it with respray it with some rust protection, and yeah, just finish it up underneath. I also think I should pull down the axle in the back and paint it, of course. Also, the gearbox needs to be painted, and all the new parts for the engine, the alternator, the starter, everything. Let's just do it. Let's just paint everything. It's come so long now. I need to just do it right. So, what do you think, guys? Write it in the comment sections. What do you think of the color? It's looking damn good. So, first thing first, I need to put up some tables here. Organize all my parts. Those parts are for Gjermund. We will get to that in another video. Now it's all about this one. So let's organize some parts then. So all laid out. I don't have any clue where to start other than the mechanical stuff. I can understand how the arms go in. I have had to paint those, of course. I can understand how the arms go in. I can understand how the bags go in, the bushings from here. I understand how they go in, and everything that way. But this here, no clue. So if anyone has mounted this before, I've tried to look up the lines. Have a line, what you call it, a diagram or the instruction manual. I would really like to have that so I can make one and maybe post it with like a document online. I can take that job, making it look good, take the pictures and stuff. But yeah, but as my understanding, and the air tank is not here, as you can see. That's because we're going to do something really cool with the air tank. It's going to be really nice and a bit, yeah, 100% Russian, like a souvenir for this car. All this will be mounted in the back, and I would make a nice wooden tray and have all the yellow air tank with the graphics on, so you can see next video, and all the lines neatly put away, front, rear. I won't have 4 switches and do all the... It's not for me. I just need to lower it all together or individually front and back. And in Norway, I think what we will get this car approved with is some sort of fixed pressure as the ride height. And then if I drop it down and get caught by the police or someone under that pressure, I will get a fine. So therefore I need one for the rear and one for the front. Yeah, it will be really fun to install it, but it's enough chit chat now. Let's just fucking get to work. Bunch of other parts covered in the first video. Yeah, it will be fun, but it's a lot of work. But winter's here. This spring this car will be finished. So let's bring on the youth and get this up in the air and fixing the wheel wells before mounting the new arms. All right. Getting really wet. Well, this couldn't suck anymore. Lykke, go in. My freshly painted engine started to peel right away before even we got to start it. So now let's do it properly this time. We're sponsored by Lada Moscow. You speak Russian? Нет. Because you are going on YouTube, mister. I'm filming YouTube right now. Say hello to my little ants. Hello. Today is a club day here in Garashin, and it's a lot of stuff going on. Included these guys helping me with preparation of the air ride system. So it's going good. There was a lot of loose stuff in here, so we need to take it out and put on some new before we put in all the new shiny parts. Briller. Put on the glasses.
I have glasses.
Yeah, but this guy got a lot of paint in his eye just before. Well, it's not perfect, but it'll work. That was that. And today we will be trying to finish the floor. What's the game plan, you say? The game plan is some cardboard, some repairs of the old schnites, and some diddly-doos, and a wooden floor. And now let's just start building, because this will take some time. Okay, let's go over here. I'm doing too much woodworking these days. I'm also building a house, and therefore this video series is going too slow, and I'm sorry for that again. Just some crappy old wood from the house project will be the new floor in the trunk, and I haven't decided if I'm going for a wooden finish on top with some nicer wood, or maybe some Persian carpet or something. What do you think? Carpet? Like some cool carpet, or wood? But first of all, I'm building the base, mounting all the stuff, pre-mounting it, making it work, then demounting it and making it look nice. That's the game plan. Okay, so some of the floor is now done. The shelf is done. The floor is done. I'm going to hinge it here, and to get access to all the fittings and stuff underneath, have a hole here that I can just pull in, hinge it over there, fasten it and stuff. So the only thing that holds this is the weight, and maybe a lock here or something. So I think this is cool. Either way, it will be different. And the compressor hose goes down in here. All the stuff will be hidden underneath or down here. Yeah, I have about 7 centimeters underneath here, so it will be cool to and this is just temporary because I need a different saw to make that part. So I believe it's time to find a carpet or a wood floor, but this marks the end of the preparation. To sum up, we did the wheel wells. I haven't actually done the backs yet, but it will get done off camera. I done the front, done the back. I need to clean up this, glue and some fiberglass, and then just paint the whole shebang black. I would really love to have some sort of kind of like this on that side, but it's only they never made them. So I need to figure something out. Maybe it will be a mini bar. That would be cool, with some old Russian bottles and stuff just standing down here. So, guys, the preparation of the car is done. Now I'll be going over to the other parts, and yeah, this will be fun. So stay tuned. Next video will be coming really soon. Bye bye then.